Hi guys, so I'm going to teach you how you can achieve this beautiful goddess makeover. My name is Tamzina. I make videos related makeup, vlogging, lifestyle and much more. So for the start, I'm using this e.l.f. hydrating primer. And the next, I'm using this concealer from L'Oreal Paris. It has a really good coverage. So I'm covering all my under eyes, dark circles, all the tannings which you can see on my forehead area, on my cheeks area. I have a lot of tanning. Next, I'm using this NARS foundation in shade Punjab. This is a perfect shade for my skin tone, I think so, you can see there. And I'm blending it very nicely. It's lightweight and it's amazing. Here I'm using Glam cushion blush. It's a liquid blush and it stays whole day. Here I'm using Rhoda contour stick. It's very easy to use and travel friendly. So here I contoured my face. As you can see, I currently am having a chubby face. So this is the way to contour your face, and as I always say that blending is the key. If you blend properly, everything looks very pretty and sharp and crisp. So don't leave your product just like that. Always blend it very nicely. As you can see, I'm looking like an AI filtered, but there is no filter in this video. It's completely raw, made from my DSLR. And here I'm using Born This Way concealer. It is super coverage matte finish concealer. I have a really bad oily, sensitive and sweaty skin, so I think nothing is better than this concealer. Here I'm using a powder blush after doing all the concealer thing. You can use any powder blush, whatever you have. And here I'm going to contour my face with this glowish bronzer, which is by Huda Beauty itself, and she's amazing. And now I'm going to set my under eyes and the complete face so that I don't get patchy. So this is the Huda Beauty banana bread. Now I am doing my eyebrows, defining my eyebrows, and I've already done my eye makeup because I know this video is going to take too long, so I have already done the eye makeup. If you want, I will do the eye makeup video as well, so you have to comment that down below, okay? Else I will do it. And here I'm creating this particular art. So I've done this for the first time, so I don't know if I made it right or not. So here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.